Uh, it's not snowing anymore, guys. It's sunny day. But anyway, um, got these flowers from Walmart, and it's gonna. I put I changed the water and I put some sugar because last night it's kind of a little bit um the it's not like fresh, but anyway, it's kind of pretty. This is like about, I don't know if this is like the $11 one. This is from $9. That's good. Yeah, I did not get the expensive one because it's kind of big to bring in the vehicle. So $9.97. And this one, guys, is the. Sorry, guys. Just wait. It's kind of pretty, and I need to video later some of the cake. Anyway, this is guy. I got this, guys, from Yes, wait. It's gonna. I got this, guys, at the thrift store, guys, and it's kind of pretty dress. So I hand wash it, guys, cause I don't wanna put in the washing machine or dryer, and it's dry now. It's have a peach color. See, it's kinda and it come with the underwear. I wash it too, but I don't wanna wear the underwear. I just put in the by the neck and hide it. It come with it. So, and then there's like a ribbon in here. I think this is like a vintage dress. Anyway, so I'm not done it, guys. Like the what you call this? I'm not done yet because I need to go to basement yet to get the other stuff, guys. I have some pillows that I bought many years ago. So this one, guys, when I see this one at the thrift store, like last week or something, it's like um, it don't quite fit me yet, the top part, so it's good for just decoration for now. Um, this one is kind of size small. It's kind of like a little bit smaller in the by the arm area for me. So I said I'm just gonna decorate because I it's kind of nice sometimes the dress that you bought at the thrift store can have a lot of cute stuff, and sometimes it don't fit you, but it's kind of nice for decoration and stuff. Or I kinda expand this one to and add some stuff and you can wear it or something. You need to improvise. But I just like this part right here. Perfect for, it's like matching with the flowers, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, sunny out there. Sunny. And this vehicle passed by looking a pigeon. Hi, I need to the plug over there got a spin with that spinner. Anyway, wow, nice day, guys. I put the solar light in here, and I put the other solar light I use at night here. So I put in the sunlight, and I have some basket here for pull the laundry and stuff. Anyway, guys, I need to go to basement soon, but I need to eat, guys. Yeah, it's for then I will take it down after. Hello, I got scared, me, guys. Over there, the one, the hanging thing that they just move around. It gets scared me because it's sound over there. Anyway, kind of windy now again. Ooh, see you later, guys. I like the flowers, birthday flowers. I need to video my birthday cake. See you later.